Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hotpoint SI4S854CBL single oven. What I wanted today is to show you around the oven, some of the features and benefits that it offers. Also, I'm going to show you a couple of unique features that this oven has that not many others have within this price range. First of all, as we open the oven door, you'll notice that you've got a really nice light inside. I do like how it just comes on gradually rather than just coming on when the door opens. And then clearly when you shut the door, then unless you've set a program, then the light will go out. But nevertheless, you've got quite a few trays in here. So first of all, this is one of the unique features, and this is an air fryer shelf. I'll show you some of the functions that it comes with in a moment, but this is actually quite unique in the market at the moment. There are some ovens that have an air fryer function, but we are finding that more and more are arriving to the market as we speak. So Hotpoints are not unique in this fact. But all we're finding is that rather than having a separate air fryer, separate oven, then what Hotpoint have done is they've taken the sensible decision and put an air fryer function and the wire rack in here as well. You do also get two separate shelves with it as well, and you also get the grill pan. A common question we get asked is, does it come with a grill pan handle? And the answer is no. What you'll find, if you had a handle in the middle here, then when you get it fully loaded with any kind of food, I suppose sausages or bacon for example, it'll make it quite heavy and then it won't be manageable with one handle. You've got stay clean liners on the side as well, so if you do get any food that spits out and goes onto the side of the oven, just makes life a little bit easier when it comes to the cleaning process. I've just zoomed in a little bit closer to the display. I know I've got a little bit of probably reflection, but that's because it's a glass finish and hopefully you can still see it. First of all, at the top here, you've got My Menu, and this is where you've got up to 20 preset cooking programs, and you can just, I suppose, select one of those, and that's really good if you're not too sure how long to cook something for. Things like baking or roasting, grilling or steaming. I'll come on to that in a moment. But if there's a particular type of dish that you want to cook, then once you've selected which one you want, then it will recommend the time and also the ideal temperature to cook at to get the best from your food. Next one I'm going to show you is the manual functions. Once you've selected that, then you've got another like sub menu that you can go through. So you've got things like forced air. That's basically using the fan, and that will in theory speed everything up, so it'll speed the cooking up. There's quite a lot to show you on here. Conventional bake. You've got the grill function, frozen food option. So you've got quite a few special programs in here. Also fast preheat. So if you wanted to cook something or if you wanted to heat the oven up quickly, then you've got that option as well. And then once you've selected that program, then you actually adjust the temperature. So it goes up in 5-degree increments. And on this you can actually go up to 225 degrees centigrade, which for majority of people, majority of programs is more than enough. Then once you've selected that, then you can actually time it as well. So if you wanted it to be on for a certain time, I'm not saying you should go out and leave the oven on, but if you needed to go out for whatever reason and then you needed the oven to turn off at a certain time, you've got that option here. Another feature on here, which, and as I said earlier, and not on many ovens within this price range, is steam. Now steam has been around for several years, and I think it's one of those that not many people tend to understand, and I know certainly within our showroom we don't sell too many steam ovens, but it's the kind of thing, once you've had a steam oven, once you understand the concept of it, then it can really be a benefit. Now you've got this is where the water is stored, so just on the right hand side here, all you would do is just go and fill that up. So you don't need to have it plumbed in, which are on some of the higher end ovens, but once you've got that, then that just pots back in there and then you're ready to go. So lovely and easy. I really do like that. So with the steam options, all you need to do is just select which program you want, and in the instructions it just shows you which you're going to select depending on the type of food you're going to cook, and I suppose how long you wanted everything to cook for. And it's within the specials option. Then once you've selected that, then you've got another sub menu. So you need to be quite good at navigating through your menus to operate the oven. You've got the option for defrosting, keep warm, then you've got rising, so that could be good I'll just show you that one. So rising, that's good. So if you tend to bake a lot of bread, or if you're into your baking, then if you just want to have something in a warm atmosphere at say 40 degrees, and if you want it to rise, which I tend to quite a bit, I try and do a bit of baking at home, probably not as much as I'd like, but that will be ideal for me, because sometimes having an area that's quite warm to let your dough rise is quite difficult. If you want to use the Airfryer function to get your chips nice and crispy, or your chicken nuggets, then that's really the one to select, using the Airfryer shelf as well. Then as you go on to the final option, this is the conventional oven. That's just if you wanted just standard oven cooking, and all you need to do there is just select the temperature that you want. So for example, if I wanted it 180 degrees, press OK, and then you can select the duration as well. So if I wanted it on for example, say for 10 minutes, then press that, and then I can select the end time as well. Other option on the right hand side here, first of all, you've got a cleaning option. So cleaning an oven is not one of my favourite things to do. If you follow me on YouTube for a while, you'll see that I did a cleaning process of an oven recently, and although it's quite easy, it's still something I prefer not to do. But on this oven, you don't need to worry about that, because you've got the option here called Diamond Clean, 35-minute program. All you need to do is select that and then press the start button. And you've got other options on here as far as the cleaning process, so drain, descale, and then back to the Diamond Clean option. Then finally, this is where you've got the timer option, also the settings. So if you wanted to change one of the settings within the oven, that's where you'd go to. And then basically once you've selected the program that you want, the temperature, the duration if you want to, that's where you press start and you're ready to go cooking. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these ovens, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Hotpoint SI4S854CBL. Not going to lie, that's one of those model numbers that I do struggle to remember. At the start of the video, it took about 5 or 6 takes to try and remember the number, but I'm just going to read it off our electronic price ticket there. But as I say, I hope you enjoyed the video on that oven. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. I know I've not shown you cooking demonstrations, but I think for this video, all I wanted to do was just to run through some of the features and benefits that it offers, because personally, I think this oven offers a huge amount for the price. Check out the price, because on this, it's actually really, really good. Anyway, if you have any questions on it, then as you can see, I've got it on display, and I've got it connected up as well. Also, if you have got one of these, or if you've got a Hotpoint oven like this, with some of the similar functions, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.